Thank you, Destiny Flair. Jolene, welcome. Yung boses ko mahina. Ayan, okay na, bu. Okay na, malakas na. Baka hindi ko lang natapat kanina. Hanggang sa walang hanggan sa mundong nakakapagod. Okay na yung boses ko? Maxine Fullion, welcome. Cherry, welcome to my live. Snow Hunter, welcome. Owen20, welcome to my live. Okay na yung boses ko? Mahina? Good evening, Ace. Shining Out, welcome. Vera, Mia, Lotangs, welcome. Mahina boses ko? Wala yung mic ko kasi. Mahina? Wala akong ibang mic pa eh. Okay na. Mahina talaga. O, bingi lang pala. Ay, bu, bingi ka daw sabi ni Ate Joy. Di nyo pa rin dinig. Mahina. Sabi ni Ate Joy, bingi ka daw. Ayan. Dinig naman. O, dinig naman. O, mga bungol daw kayo. Ayan. Shoutout sa ating 114 viewers. Ano ba talaga? Kalahati dito, bingi. Kalahati dito, malakas pandinig. Destiny Flare, Shy, thank you so much. Thank you.
Do you remember
Ano ba talaga?
when we were young, you were always with your friends. Wanted to grab your hand and run
Hoy,
away from
hindi.
them. I knew that it was time
Hindi ba
to
si
tell
Cassie yung
you
pumasok?
how I feel.
Wait lang. Gasalamin ako.
So made a move, I
Teka
took
lang.
your hand,
Bungol
my
si Miss
heart
R.
was beating loud like I've never felt before. You
Eh,
smiled
totoo
and
ba?
acting like you wanted
Hindi pa
more.
pumapasok si Cassie sa live ko?
I think you're the one I've never seen
Kailangan ko
before.
magsalamin. Grabe, nanlalabo yung
I
mata ko.
want you to know
Pero pumasok siya.
I love you the most. I'll always be
Pumasok, hindi.
right by
Hindi pa
your
pumapasok si
side.
Cassie?
'Cause baby, you're
Taragis ka, Miss Ara. Ginagayuma mo ba ako? Diyos mio ka.
just give me forever.
Kinabahan ako sa'yo. Diyos ko, Lord. Miss R. Ay, Diyos ko po. Akala ko nandyan yung bibi ko. Diyos mio, marimar talaga. Kailangan ko na talaga magsalamin. Malabo na yung mata ko. Yan, nagsalamin pa ako para sa'yo, Miss R.
'Cause you love someone else back in 73. I was so jealous seeing you with him. Oh baby, I know that
Di bali na.
treat you bad.
May, thank you. Kangski, thank you. Thank you for the drop, everybody. Pakitawag nga yung totoo kong bubo. Diyos ko po. Miss R. Diyos ko, Lord. I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. Hoy, alam mo namang nanlabo lang ang paningin ko. AD, welcome to my life. Say I love you. Ate Joy, tama ka. Bungol nga si Miss R. Kung malabo mata ko siya, bungol. Thank you, JC Bigasa. Thank you, Sagi. Thank you. Lynn, welcome. Capricorn, welcome. JC, thank you. Destiny Blair, thank you for the drop. Ilang ulit ko ba tinawag na bu?
I want you to know I love you the most. I'll always be there right by your side. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever.
Ilang ulit ko ba tinawag na bu?
'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause baby, you're always in my mind. Just give me your forever. 'Cause
Oh, talagang, naku, Diyos mo. Dalawang beses ko natawag na bu. Hindi, ano talaga siya eh. Brr. Bu. Ibig ko sabihin doon sa bu, bungol. Miss R, bu. Bu, bungol. Bella, welcome. Bigusara, thank you. Snow, thank you. Thank you. Kaya ko siya tinawag na bu. Ibig sabihin nun, bungol. Bigbusari, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Give me your forever. Ah, 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 ah. Thank you, Destiny Flare. Thank you, Sagi. Thank you, May. Ayan. Capricorn. Thank you, Destiny Flare. Thank you. Zane, welcome. Ayan. Ayoko na. Gusto ko sanang hubarin yung hindi nyo kasi pinatapo. O, diba? Bungol kasi ibig sabihin. Hindi nyo ako pinatapos eh. Ginudge nyo ako agad na tinawag ko siya ng boo. Ibig sabihin doon, bungol ka kasi kaya hindi mo marinig na yung boses ko kaya mahina. Bakit sila naririnig nila na tinawag kitang boo kung mahina yung boses ko? Ibig sabihin, ikaw nga yung bungol. Diba? Mebs, welcome. Star Glimmer, welcome. Andito na naman yung dalawang alaga akong makulit. Bungol. Hindi, Josie, welcome. Ay, Diyos mio, Marimar de Santibanez talaga. Oo, eto na naman. Sige, ikaw na mag-live, Kumi. Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Gusto mo ng sound card? Gusto mo mag-mic, Kumi? I will take you. Thank you, Capricorn. Thank you, Destiny Player. Thank you, May. Teka lang, guys. Ang ganda ng puwet ni Kumi, eh. Oh. Diyos ko po. Hey! Oo nga, bakit sasabihin magulo yung live ko? Eh, si Kumi yung magulo, di ba? Ano ba? Oo, maldita to eh. Maldita kong anak to si Kumi. Tignan mo, tinabingan pa yung iPad. Diyos ko po. Kumi, paano ko makikita yung music niyan kung nandiyan ka? Ang galing talaga na ito eh. Parehong-pareho. Diyos ko po. Alam mo, para ako may display dito ng pusa yung gumaganon. Hindi nga lang siya gumaganon. Nanggugulo lang talaga siya. Pero nanonood lang naman daw. Wag naman natin siyang husgahan. Nanonood lang yung baby Kumi na yan eh. Diba? Bait yan eh. In my heart, but you... Thank you, 80. Thank you, Capricorn. Thank you, Sagi. Thank you for the drop. Okay, guys. Sa mga taga Manila dyan, keep safe. And sa Davao, Cebu, sa lahat. Buong Pilipinas. Keep safe, guys. Ayan. Be ready palagi. Diba, Kumi? Mebs, welcome back. Sargi, Capricorn. Thank you, May. Lucky Heart, welcome. Ren, thank you. Capricorn, thank you. May, thank you. Hindi, tanggalin ko na yung salamin ko. Malinaw na yung mata ko. Nagjo-joke lang ako kanina. Bungol talaga ibig sabihin nun. Come on, guys. Road to 10K rubies. Alam ko nagpahinga lang kayo, pero alam ko na kaya natin to, guys, no? Kaya nating abutin yung ating goal. Sagi, thank you. May, thank you. Inday Josie, thank you so much for the drop. Mm-mm, mm-mm. White Rose, welcome. Thank you, AD. Thank you, AD. Sagi, thank you. May, thank you. Pure Light, welcome to my life. Nag-good night ka ata, Pao. Nag-good night ka? Di talaga matutulog si Ango nung di nag-good night kay nanay. AUH, thank you so much! Let's go, guys. Road to 10K, everybody. Yeah. I am sorry, I am sorry, AD, thank you so much. When I fall. Guys, baka meron kayong, magbalik tayo sa mga Q&A tayo, or fast talk. Baka gusto nyo akong i-fast talk, ulitin nyo, gusto nyo akong makilala ulit, may gusto kayong itanong, yung fast talk lang, para, mabilis ang sagot. Ganon. Para meron tayong gagawin, di ba? Baka sabihin na naman kasi nila, boring na naman yung live ko, tapos magulo yung live ko, wala akong originality, tapos wala akong hindi ako organized. Makalat ako. Kaya magkalat tayo sa fast talk. Maria Amor! Boo! Bungol! Tapos uubo-ubo na naman ako. Mamaya na lang ako uubo pagka nandyan na siya. Oreo, welcome to my life. Pasok tayo. Hi, Ate Jenny Lou. Fall Leaves, welcome to my live. Good evening, AUH. Lou, welcome to my live. Okay, so, second floor. Uy, naparami lang yung kain ko ng talong, ha. Hindi ako naparami kain ng kanin. Yung talong lang at saka yung tinapa. Nagbabawas na ako ng kanin. Tingnan nyo nga, nagka-crop top na ako. Ayun, nagka-crop top na ako. Diba? Desidido na to. Magpapayat. Ano kayo? Si Big Busara na lang talaga yung Si Big Busara na lang talaga yung walang plano mag-diet eh. Nori, welcome! Muntik ko na mahabol yung katawan ni Big Busara, pero eto, bumababa ako ulit. O, dali na mag-fast talk tayo. Baka meron kayong tanong para sasagutin ko kayo, di ba? Libreng at pumasok. Wait, thank you, AUH. AUH, yung dinrap mo ba sa akin, bukal ba yan o tinatawag mo akong rabbit? Yung dalawa ibig sabihin nun eh. Yung lang, bukal lang, o kaya may gusto kayo parating sa ngipin ko. Bakit bungol po si Miss R? Bungol kasi hindi niya ako marinig. Mahina daw boses ko. Nagkataon lang ba, AUH? Kala ko sinasabi mo malaking ipin ko eh. Mr. Flame, welcome. Thank you, Ching. Thank you for the drop. May mga naglalaro sa akin, oh. Happy 7,379 rupees, guys. Road to 10K! Destiny Flare, thank you. Uy, thank you, Snow. Thank you so much. Wala kayo, guys. Iniunti-unti ko nang sinusuot yung mga damit ko dati, yung mga crop top. Crop top dati, di ba? Medyo maluwag pa. Tingnan yung fit na fit. Guys, paano po ba maglaro dito? Click mo lang yung parang may slot, yung parang may game. Di ba, dati, no? Ano, maluwag-luwag pa. Ay, tingnan nyo. Aquarius Echo. Bagay naman sa'yo. Pabili. Alam ko naman. Pero yung ayoko lang tong floor na to. Kaya nga nagbabawas na ako ng kanin. Okay lang naman ako sa braso. Bawas lang ng konti. Yun dito lang. Kasi may pagkamalusog na wa. Destiny Flare, thank you. Ate Jenny Lou, thank you. Inday Josie, thank you. Ano yan, naglalaro ka, Ate Josie? Or, ano yan, gift talaga? Mebs, welcome back! Welcome back! Oh, guys, ano na, wala pa ba tayong mga itatanong? Oh, si Lola I, walang ginagawa to. O, nagko-comment, oh. Thank you, Destiny Flare. Thank you, Saddam. Thank you. Jeline, welcome. Destiny Flare, thank you. Bah, Maria Amor, thank you. Hindi naglalaro yan si Maria Amor eh. Naglalaro ka Maria Amor, no? Thank you, Destiny Flare. Thank you, Maria Amor. Galing naman. Ano yung tapos mo na, Lola I? Okay. Sa e-bike. Angel, welcome. Taray naman ni Maria Amor, oh. Tuloy-tuloy ang drop. Uy, Big Busara, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anong tanong mo, Ate Joyce? Siguraduhin mong maayos yan. Anong tanong, Ate Joy? Bisa mo, tagal mag-type. Laki kasi ng daliri eh. Diyos mio, marimadas ni Banyas eh. Sige, para may topic and makasagot sila. O, sige, ano yun? Ate Joy. Kung lumayo, ngunit pilitin may bumabalik sa'yo. Saddam, thank you. Na kahit magpanggap, di matatago na ang iyong yakapang hanap para pa. Anong pinakamasakit? Closure, moving on, or walang sagot? Pinakamasakit? Syempre yung masakit yung wait lang, mahirap mamili eh. Pero siguro yung closure. Kasi ibig sabihin ng closure, parang kino-close nyo na yung chapter nyo, yung relasyon nyo, di ba? Kasi dun sa move on, move on ka lang, nung wala kayong closure, wala pa kayong maayos na closure. Possible na talagang, alam mo yun, na gusto mo pang bumalik. Pero kasi pagka nagkaroon kayo ng closure na yan, i-end nyo na talaga, mapag-uusapan nyo ng maayos, nakakagaan ng pakiramdam, pero yung sakit nandun, syempre, dahil nga, ayun na, ang pinag-uusapan nyo yung pagtatapos ng chapter nyo, diba? Pagtatapos ng inyong relationship. Destiny Flare, thank you, Saddam. Thank you. Kasi yung move on, masakit din naman siya. Pero, kasi minsan tayo nagmo-move on. Kayo nagmo-move on kahit alam mo namang pwede pa kayo magkabalikan. Kahit magpanggap di matatag. Paano yun walang sagot? Overthink mo lala. Ay, akala ko naman, ang sinasabi ni Ate Joy doon sa walang sagot, wala akong pipiliin sa dalawa, yung closure or move on. Syempre, doon tayo sa walang sagot. Ako sa walang sagot. Nanghuhula ka. Pinakamasakit yung walang sagot. Imaginein mo, mag-overthink ka, hindi ka nire-replyan, walang sagot sa'yo, yun pala masaya na sa piling ng iba. Di mo alam yung reason kung bakit hindi ka na kinakausap, kung bakit hindi ka na nire-replyan. Mas masakit yun kasi binabaliwala ka na, di ba? Yung tipong hindi ka replyan, nakakaya niya, samantalang ikaw, overthink, OT na OT ka na. O, yung hindi mo nga naman alam kung saan ka nagkulang at nagkamali kasi hindi nga siya sumasagot. Mas maganda yung meron kang jowa na prangka sa'yo, kumbaga sasabihin sa'yo kung ano yung ayaw niya sa'yo, ano yung gusto niya sa'yo, ano yung mga pagkukulang mo para mapunuan mo, di ba? Baka kasi hindi nagbibigay ng sagot, tas ang ending, hahanap ng pupuno ng iba, di ba? Yun ang masakit eh, yung, oo, alam mo, sige, malalaman mo meron kang pagkukulang, pero hindi niya sinasabi sa'yo. Hindi niya sinasabing may pagkukulang. Tapos ngayon, pagka nalaman mo na masaya na siya sa iba, tapos doon lang siya sasagot. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung reason kung bakit di siya sumagot sa'yo kasi may pagkukulang ka. Bakit hindi niya sinabi sa'yo agad? Uy, thank you, Lani. Shining Arrow, welcome. Thank you, AH. Sabi natin mahirap talaga yung walang sagot. Nakaka-OT. Yun nga lang, ano eh. Yun nga lang, may kausap tas hindi, naka-mute, hindi mo marinig tulad nung nag-OT na ako nun. Nag-overthink ako. Ano kaya pinag-uusapan nila? Yun pa kaya hindi mo nakikita yung buka ng bunganga, di ba? Tapos, ano paramdam? Dito ka lang. Thank you, Lani. Kaso, yung tipong wala nang sagot na narinig. Pero sa iba, nagre-reply. Yung hindi ka nire-replyan, wala man lang balik sa mga tanong mo, pero sa iba, nakakapag-reply siya. Pero bakit sa'yo hindi niya magawang mag-reply? Kasi baka hindi na interesado sa'yo. Baka naiirita na sa'yo. Baka naman hindi na siya komportableng kausap ka. Wow, ganda ng sound card. Bakit bo na maayos ba? Kasi kanina si Miss R natawag ko na bungol. Mahina daw kasi yung mic ko, sabi niya eh. Anong bago yan? Hindi bo. Ito pa rin yun. Yung in-affiliate ko. Yung Core Fly. Ito pa din yung sound card ko. Ay, nasanay ako sa maliit. Hindi talaga, bihira ko talaga ginamit yun, bu. Yung sound card ko kasi hindi mo nakikita, nandito siya sa taas ng printer ko. Ngayon ko lang siya binaba kasi wala akong drum dito. Hindi ako nag-drum ngayon, more on, kain, putik, kain tuloy na sabi ko, more on kain. More on talk ako ngayon. Talk lang, talk. Ay, eat well. Eat well. Anong ulam mo, bu? Elaine, welcome. Isang tanong pa po ah. Okay, sige Ate Joy. Anong tanong mo? Sige lang, magtanong ka lang na magtanong para meron tayong topic. Saktan mo lang yung sarili mo. Dito ka lang. Dito. Anong mas masakit? Yung love na nag-end or yung love na never magsisimula? Ano? Love na Mas yung love na nag-end or yung love na never magsisimula? Love na nag-end or yung love na never na magsisimula? Lagi sa wait lang. Teka lang, loading, busog eh. Yung nagtapos na love or yung love na hindi nagsisimula? Huh, ano, Ate Joy? Yung love na hindi na paano pa? Ano yun? Never na magsisimula. Love na never na wait lang, Ate Joy, hindi ko maintindihan eh. Explain mo nga sa akin. Alam mo namang mahina ako pumick up ng mga tanong. Diyos ko po. Ano ibig mo sabihin na, kumbaga parang ano, nagmamahal ka pero hindi naman magsisimula sa relasyon, ganun? Hindi magkakaroon ng label? Paano ba? I-explain mo para makasagot ako ng maayos. Alam mo naman dapat word by word ina-explain sa akin. Tulungan nyo nga ako I-explain mo sa akin, Ate Joy. Anong ibig sabihin mo dun sa ano? Anong ibig sabihin mo dun sa A Love Never Began? Yung ba, paano ba yun? One-sided nga. Kumbaga parang ikaw lang yung nagmamahal. Walang label, ganon. Siyempre, masakit yung ano. Masakit yung walang chance na maging kayo. Kung yun yung ibig sabihin ng love never began. Yun. Mas masakit yung ano, yung walang chance na maging kayo na ikaw lang yung nagmamahal. Kasi sobrang unfair naman nun. Siyempre, unfair sa inyong pareho, unfair sa inyong dalawa. Unfair sa'yo kasi nagmamahal ka, pero hindi ka minamahal babalik. Tapos sa kanya naman, unfair naman kung minamahal mo siya, tapos gusto mo siyang mahalin ka pabalik, eh hindi ka naman niya nga mahal. 'Di ba? Mahirap naman ipilit yung sarili natin sa taong hindi naman tayo gusto. Mas masakit yung na-end. Para sa'yo masakit. So, okay lang sa'yo walang label basta nakakausap mo, ganun. Bakit? Meron ka ba ano ba? Alin ba yung sa'yo doon? Yung nag-end or yung wala kayong label? Mas masakit yung ang hirap ko yung isipin nun, yun, na mahal mo yung isang tao, gustong-gusto mo siya, tapos effort ka, ganyan-ganyan, pero wala naman chance maging kayo, di ba? Pero masaya ka sa ginagawa mo. Doon naman sa nag-end na love, masakit din naman. Syempre, nagtapos yung chapter niyo, di ba? Ang hirap mamili, Ate Joy. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo no? In general, kahit isa nag-end, kasi isa nag-end, nag-invest ka na ng sobra time, effort, plans nyong dalawa. Bakit? Sa walang label, sa walang label, nag-e-effort ka rin naman Nagmahal ka, 'di ba? Nanligaw ka, pero wala namang chance maging kayo, 'di ba? Dun sa relationship naman, kumbaga minahal ka rin naman pabalik, nag-end nga lang kayo na may reason. Hindi naman kayo mag-e-end kung walang reason. Kesa naman dun sa nagsasayang ka ng effort mo, 'di ba? Sinasayang mo yung effort mo, yung time mo, wala namang chance na hindi naman pwedeng maging kayo, isa pa 'to. Oh, isa pa 'to si Kokowa. At least dun sa nag-end, at least alam mong minahal ka, 'di ba? Nagawa mo yung lahat, naging kayo, nagmahalan kayo, nagtapos may reason yun. Kokowa.
Binabato mo ako ng kung ano-ano. Ikaw
TW,
pa
welcome.
rin ang gusto ko.
Wait lang
Kahit
guys
na
ha. Ibigyan nyo lang ako ng mga
sinasaktan
2
mo
minutes pang
ko,
gigigilan ko lang
sinisip
to.
na susukatan mo. Ikaw pa rin, walang iba. Ang gusto ko magkasama. Huwag ka nang mawawala. Walang iba. Walang iba.
Hala, may tagas si Bubong. Paano mo kaya mapapagawa to? Kulang.
Guys, hindi naman sa favoritism ako guys ha. Nanggigigil lang talaga ako kay Coco. Iba yung gigil ko sa kanya. Nanggigigil. Pa-backread dun sa tanong ni Miss R. Sige, wait lang.
Eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling and it's something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits
Pag
you.
nasaktan ba,
Girl, we can
kailangan ba bigyan
act
ulit
like
siya ng chance?
we
Kapag
have
ka
no
nasaktan ka ng isang
truth.
tao, kailangan bigyan mo siya
I
ulit
don't
ng
know
isang chance.
why I'm drawn
Para
to
sa akin,
you.
depende sa sitwasyon, depende sa ginawa niyang pananakit sa'yo.
And this is all based on a
Meron kasing sinaktan ka sa pamamagitan ng may nasabi siyang hindi maganda sa'yo, sa may nagawa siyang maliit na bagay. Yung mga maliit na bagay lang naman na nasaktan ka, na hurt ka, pwede mo siyang bigyan ng chance kasi pwede namang mabago yun eh, 'di ba? Hindi naman porke nakagawa siya na sa'yo ng pagkakamali na sobrang maliit lang na bagay na na-hurt ka tapos hindi mo nabibigyan ng chance para namang sobrang ano mo naman dun sa part na yun. 'Di ba? Pero kung yung sobrang hindi na maganda yung nagawa niya sa'yo, like sinasaktan ka na niya pisikal, minumura-mura, tapos hindi ka na niya nirerespeto, nagchi-cheat siya sa'yo, and nasaktan ka, yun yung mga deserve na hindi nabigyan ng chance, 'di ba? Kasi bakit ka pa ginawa kung ganun din naman yung gagawin sa'yo? Sasaktan ka lang pisikal, emotional, sasaktan ka dahil sa pag-cheat niya sa'yo, mumurahin ka, 'di ba? Nung una, bakit hindi niya pinakita yung gano'ng pag-uugali, 'di ba? Sa una, lambing-lambing niya. Sa una, napakatino niya. Tapos pagdating sa huli, gano'n lang gagawin niya sa'yo. Eh, para sa akin, hindi na kailangan bigyan ng chance yung mga gano'ng klaseng tao. Pero kung mga saktuhang ano lang, maliit na bagay lang na hurt ko, kaya nasabihan ka, baby, ang taba mo na. Tapos na-hurt ka kasi totoo yung taba ko na nga. Ayun. Sabihin mo, ano, hindi ko nagustuhan na sinabihan mo ako mataba, gano'n. Sa susunod, huwag mo na sabihin mo na lang cute ako. O, 'di ba? At least alam na niya. Tignan mo yung bibi ko, 'di ba? Sabi niya sa akin, sige, tawagin mo pa ang bibi. Tatawagin kitang princess. Silent Heart, welcome. Ano, may tanong pa ba tayo? Tanong na kayo. Ano pa lang tayo? 38 minutes pa lang. Bagal ng mga fingers na dito. Diyos ko po. Cancel, welcome to my life. Ang bagal ng mga fingers niyo. Wala bang ang sabi, paano pag natatakot ka na mag-confess sa best friend mo kasi baka mag-fail? Mas maganda Ah? Baka mag-fail. Mas maganda mag-bestie. Paano pag natatakot ka na mag-confess sa Ano yan eh? Dalawang ano lang yan. Iingatan mo yung friendship nyo or susubukan mo sabihin sa kanya na napupusuan mo na siya. Kasi, once na pinusuan mo na yan, yung best friend mo, possible yung friendship nyo is masira. Once na hindi na kayo naging okay kapag kung sakaling magkatuluyan kayo. Or kung sakaling malaman niya na may gusto ka sa kanya, tapos siya naman hindi ka gusto, parang magkakaroon na ng, pagkailang, di ba? Kaya kung gusto mo pahalagahan yung friendship nyo, kahit na may lihim ka ng pagtingin sa kanya, kung ayaw mo siyang mawala or yung, alam mo yun, nandyan pa rin pagiging friendship nyo, kahit magka-jowa ka ng marami, kahit na sino man yung dumaan sa'yo, at least siya, nandyan sa tabi mo, kumbaga parang anytime na tawagin mo siya pagka di ka okay, di ba? At least, nandyan siya para sa'yo. Kesa, halimbawa, duduwain mo, oo, kayo nga magkasama, pero pagka naghiwalay kayo ng jowa mo, edi ano, hindi na kayo friends ng bestie mo. Kasi ginawa mo eh. O, awkward ka syempre. Stacy, thank you. Saddam, AD, thank you so much. Shoutout sa ating 203 viewers. Big Busara, welcome back as below. Yo! Sabi natin, take risk. Yeah. Yeah. Nasa sa'yo naman. Gusto mo subukan dahil parang feeling mo yum yum yum. Hello, Nanay Abby. What if you get friend zone? What if you get friend zone? Nag-ano ka, mamin ka sa kanya pero friend lang tingin niya sa'yo? At least kinaibigan ka pa rin niya, di ba? Kesa naman yung na-busted ka lang pero hindi na kayo friends. Mas masakit yon. At least nag-confess ka, sasabihin na friend zone ka. At least friend pa rin kayo. English, Diyos mio Marimar, si DW, papahirapan pa ako eh. Ito na naman tayo eh. At least you are friend. You together, friend together, still friends. Yes, it's still friends. What is busted busted? Busted, DW? At least she said, or he said, we're just friends. At least, still friends. Paano ba sasabihin nyo na busted? Ang hirap ah. Huwag ka na ay, ayoko na nagtatanong si DW, nahihirapan ako. Alam mo, pinag-i-English ako, tapos sasabihin niya, kaya mo yan, Pablo. Here in PH, friend zone. It's okay, friends. At least you're friends. It's still friends. But, if she said, naalala kayo doon sa kabila, yung, she said, basta yun na yun, DW, intindihin mo na lang, nahihirapan ako. The one that I belong to. Meron pa ba kayong ibang mga tanong? Mahaba-haba pa yung oras natin, no? Meron pa tayong 47 minutes. Big Busara, thank you so much. Hindi pala. Casby Lenny pala. Sorry, kasi may L din eh. Casby L, Loyal, Lenny. Yun. Rena Avila, welcome. Don't give up, Pablo. I'm not giving up. Yeah. Draw. Thank you. Kung sakali sinaktan ka niya pero mahal mo pa siya, kailangan pa ba na magstay or iwanan lang? Kung sakali sinaktan ka niya pero hangga't mahal mo pa, magstay ka lang. Kasi 'pag ikaw na naawa ka, nawalan ka na ng pagmamahal, ikaw na mismo susuko at mang-iiwan. Sagarin niya lang kamo. DW, thank you so much. Sagarin niya lang kamo yung pananakit niya sa'yo. Kasi once ikaw nawalan na ng pagmamahal sa kanya, ikaw na mismo yung lalayo at iiwas pa, 'di ba? Hangga't mahal mo, sige lang, 'wag mong iwan, magtiis ka lang. Pero 'pag napagod ka at hindi mo na maramdaman yung pagmamahal sa kanya, ikaw rin naman yung susuko at ikaw rin naman yung aalis sa feeling niya, 'di ba? 'Wag mong iwan, DW, 'wag mong iwan, mahal mo pa, eh. Hangga't mahal mo, sige lang. Kasi 'pag 'di mo na yan mahal, dun yan maghahabol. Yung tipong iniiwanan mo na dahil hindi mo na mahal, ngayon siya naman yung magpapabebe, mag-aahabol sa'yo kasi mahal ka daw niya. Wala. VL, welcome! Gone na. Bakit gone? Oh my God, it's gone? Ocean Dream, welcome to my life. Sinusulyapan ko lang yung taong hindi pa maka-move on, oh. Araw-araw nang i-stalk ko sa My Day ng ng ex. Tinitignan ko meron ng kasamang iba. Oh, ay, sinisilip ko lang yung mga tanga. Ayan, ah. Ayun, ang daming tanga na. Ang dami. Ate Irene and Elba, thank you so much. Sinisilip ko lang yung mga yung mga nag-invest ng time, ng effort, oh, yung mga nagbigay ng mga material na bagay dun sa taong hindi naman sila nagugustuhan. Teka, sinisilip ko lang yung mga mahilig magbawi ng mga bagay. Uy, BL, thank you! Sinisilip ko lang, teka lang, yung mahilig bawiin kung ano yung binigay pagka hindi hiniwalayan. Sino yung may kasalanan? Yung nang iwan or yung iniwan? Alam, parehas lang yan, Ate Joy. Ayoko sabihin na pipili ako ng isa. Pareho lang may kasalanan yan. Depende nga. Depende pa rin nga sa sitwasyon nga ni. Depende kung pwedeng yung nang iwan kasi iniwan dahil hindi ka na mahal or may nakita na siyang iba. Kasalanan ng nang iwan yun. Di ba parang nainiwanan ka niya or tapos ikaw naman na naiwanan. Kasalanan mo kasi parang hindi mo rin inilagaan yung sarili mo o kaya kasalanan mo kasi sinaktan mo siya, ganun kaya kay iwanan. Depende. BL Boss B, thank you so much. Sian Ethan, welcome to my life. Meron na tayong 16,275. Thank you so much, everybody. Hanap din muna ng ibig. Shout out guys sa ating 200. Uy, thank you, BL! Sino sa dalawa yung nagkulang o di na kontento? Doon tayo sa yung doon tayo sa hindi na kontento, no? Ano ba ibig mo sabihin sa Ate Joy, sino sa dalawa? Anong ibig mo sabihin? Sino sa dalawa yung may kasalanan? Ganon? Paano ba? Yung hindi na sige, doon tayo sa hindi na kontento kasi wala eh, nakilala mo na yan eh, minahal mo yan ng araw hindi ka makakontento. So, kasalanan mo yun dahil di ka nakontento. Kung di ka sana nakontento, sana inopen up mo sa kanya kung ano yung mga pagkukulang niya at para mapunuan. Ngayon, hindi lang sa hindi ka nakontento, hindi ka na lang din masaya sa kanya, di ba? Di ka na lang din masaya. Kaya iniwanan mo, naghanap ka ng ibang bubuo sa kasiyahan mo. Sa bagay, mahirap nga naman magstay sa taong hindi ka na masaya, di ba? Okay na rin yun. Kung hindi ka na kontento tapos iniwanan mo siya, naging fair ka lang naman sa nararamdaman mo, di ba? At least umamin ka na hindi mo na siya gusto or hindi mo na mahal, kaysa naman nag-i-stay ka na akala niya mahal mo pa siya, 'di ba? Okay na yun. Alam niyo guys, pag hindi niyo na mahal ang isang tao, sabihin niyo na lang. Kaysa magstay kayo na hindi niyo naman na sila mahal, 'di ba? Na nagtitiis na lang kayo, sinasakyan niyo na lang na yung pagmamahal nila sa inyo, 'di ba? Once na hindi ka na masaya sa tao, sabihin mo yung totoo. Kasi mahirap naman na nakikisama yung tao sa'yo na akala masaya ka pa sa kanya tapos di ka na pala masaya. Masakit yun, di ba? Malaman mo na nagtitiis ka na lang. Para at least kahit maaga pa lang, sabihin mo na sorry, di na ako masaya sa'yo, ganyan. Ngayon, try yung ibalik kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa inyo. Hindi ka na masaya sa kanya. Ate Irene, thank you so much. Let's go, everybody. Happy 16,798 rubies. Patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Ganong kawangis ay kay iguguhit ko. Thank you, Ate Irene. Kanta nga tayo ng isa. Wala na bang magko-question dyan? Kantahin natin yung favorite ni Miss R. Yung nandito ako. Sige, after netong randomatic. Kung magmamahal ba, dapat may oras? Ay, na-mute pala ako. Sorry, sorry. Siyempre, dapat meron kayong oras sa isa't isa, di ba? Ang hirap naman ng wala kayong oras sa isa't isa. Ba't ka pa nagmahal? Wala na naman palang oras, di ba? Ba't mo sinagot kung wala ka rin naman magiging oras sa kanya? Di ba? Ang hirap naman nun. Ano yun? Ikaw lang yung may oras sa kanya. Tapos ikaw nag-aantay ka na lang. Hindi, pakantayin ko na lang yung nandito ako. Hey, welcome to my life! Ba't ang tawa mo, Bu? Grabing ha 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 naman yan. Anong klase yan? Ba't saan ka natatawa? So, time is gold. Yes. How to forget someone? How to forget someone? Mandi ka sa iba. Ewan ko lang kung di mo malimutan. Mandi ka sa iba. Block mo na din, di ba? Ganon. Yun lang naman pinaka-easy eh. Pinaka-easy eh. Paano kung makakalimot? Eh, baling mo yung attention mo sa iba. Hindi naman sa talandi ka, di ba? Eh, ganun na lang yung magiging solusyon. Eh, doon ka na lang. Paano mo malilimutan kung siya lang lagi yung iniisip mo na ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. Siya na lang lagi nai-imagine mo. Eh, mag-try ka na ng iba. Makipag-usap ka na sa iba para malimutan mo siya. Ganon. Minsan ganun din yung tamang pag-move on. Kumausap ka sa iba, sabihin, hindi naman kailangan ko mausap ka ng iba eh. Kailangan ayusin mo muna yung sarili mo. Eh kung yun yung nakakatulong sa'yo para makapag-move on, bakit hindi ka kakausap ng iba, di ba? Eto na, Miss R, eto na. Oh, maghanap ka ng iba para mas madali ka makalimot. Pinaka-best way yon para makalimot ka agad. Maghanap ka ng iba. Totoo yon. What if next year married? Ay, di congratulations! Congratulations, DW. Mayroon akong nais malaman. Maaari bang magtanong? Wait lang, DW, sasagutin kita. Teka lang. Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. Matagal na akong naghihintay. Ngunit mayroon ka ng ibang minamahal. Kung kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin. Kung ganon pa man, nais kong malaman mo. Ang puso kong ito'y para lang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala. May nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Mr. Fox, welcome to my live. Ay! Umi. Guys, 34 minutes na lang mag-end na po ako. Huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako. Thank you, Ate Irene. Ito minsan yung masasabi natin eh, pagka nakita natin yung tao na nagmahal ng iba tapos sinaktan lang sila. Tapos ito yung makakanta mo sa kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal. Ano yun? Ano yun? DW? Ano yung DW na wala tuloy yung comment mo? How did you know Daryl Ong? Okay. Yun na nga lang muna bago yung ano. How did you know? Gusto mo pa yung mga ano ha, Filipino singers ha? How did you know? How did you know? Paano ba yun? How did you know? Iba, uy, thank you. Sino nag-drop nun? Sino nag-drop? Sino nag-drop? Sabi ko, sino nag-drop? Sino nag-drop? Ay, Ate Ria, thank you so much! Ate Ria! Daryl Ong ba yun? Thank you. You know that song? I will see. Ate Ria, thank you so much! Ay, Boss B, thank you so much. Happy 30. Day 29K pa lang pala. Thank you. I remember so well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started. Gusto ko Gary Valenciano. Wait lang. Yung version nilang ni Gary Valenciano. Volume up music. Okay, Yuri, welcome. Ito na. Ito na nga ni. Gary Valenciano. ASD, welcome. The day that you came into my life, you asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change, and I wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. Baba, how did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there is an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I'll never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life. Took all the worries and fears that I had. Sige nga, try nga natin yung female. Guess what I'm trying to say. Sige, try ko nga. Hindi ko kasi yung mga pambabae, ang taas kasi, pero try ko nga. Wow, 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 sinong ni? Ito nga yata yun eh. Try ko ha. Oo nga, mababa nga masyado eh. Lalo akong lumiliit. Lalo ako lumiliit eh, no? Taasan ko baka sakali iinom nga pala ako ng patangkad ngayon. Ange, kung nanonood ka man, Ate Joy, paalala niyo yung pampatangkad ko. Remember so the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. Nawala tuloy na. Started to change. I'd wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you? Thank you, DW. Thank you so much. How do you heal a broken heart? Thank you, DW! Paano nga ba maghilang isang broken heart? I can't believe what you just heard. Could it be true? You're the girl I thought I knew. The one who promised me love. Where did it go? Doesn't even know. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never beat as much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love as much again? Oh no, tonight I hope what you could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to let you go. Magana tayo? Spoken. Where you ever what you see, or as a fool who fell his own dream. And now you say you want to leave, start a new life today. Those words I thought you'd never say. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never beat as much again? Oh no, I just can't let it go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love as much again? Oh no, tonight I hope it could be right. Tomorrow I'll pretend to finally put it all behind and find that I have you life in my soul. Welcome, Team Puyaters! Jansky, thank you. You go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never be this much again? Oh, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it will never love this much again? Let's go, guys. Road to 50K rupees. Last 16 minutes, everybody. O, mag-open kayo ng topic. Anong gusto niyo maging topic, guys? Come on. Open kayo ng topic para, ano? Oh. Let's go, 15,000 rupees to go para mag 50K rupees tayo. Come on. Darna, ikaw na. Okay, sige. Ay, tignan mo, pinatay nila yung ano ko. Binunot ni Kokowa yung extension. Darna, ikaw na. Okay.
Pag may araw-araw tibay, mas makakapag-aral.
More attorney. Paano pong magmahal kung lagi na lang... Ah, kanta ba yan? Kanta ba yan, Angeline? Kita na hinahanap, makapiling kahit sa pangarap. Sarili ay kinakausap, makasama mo sa bawat paglipad. Bakit ba hindi ko maiwasan? Nagkanag ka ng iyong larawan. Bawat sandali ko'y laging kulang, pag ikaw ay di ko na namamasdan. Darna, maari bang ikaw na ang siyang maging prinsesa? Nakapiling ko kahit na kailan. Patabs talaga. Sana gabi hanggang umaga, ikaw ang siyang kayakap. Pagmama... Loko si Lola Iya. Pagdarama. Ang puso ay bigyan mo ng pag-asa. Sa akin ng pinto ay buksan sana. Kung mawawala kay naging pag-ibig ko'y ibaling sa iba. Bakit ba hindi ko maiwasan? Nagkanag ka ng iyong larawan. Bawat sandali laging kulang, pag ikaw ay di ko na namamasdan. Darna, maari bang ikaw na ang siyang maging prinsesa? Nakapiling ko kahit na kailan pa. Sana gabi hanggang umaga, ikaw ang siyang kayakap. At ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y padarama. Sa paglipad, isama mo ako. Darna, maari bang ikaw na... Sige, Boo. Ang siyang maging prinsesa. Nakapiling ko kahit na kailan pa. Sana gabi hanggang umaga, ikaw ang siyang kayakap. At ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y padarama. Let's go guys, road to 50k. Thank you, Jansky.
Abroad again and struck.
Yan guys, pa 50k tayo. Thank you, DW. Thank you so much. Let's go, 50k to 58, everybody. 50k. That's 12,000 rupees. Thank you, DW. Thank you so much. Thank you, DW. Let's go, guys. Road to 50k rupees. Thank you, DW. Happy birthday, 10,000 rupees to go. My life is burned. is real, my love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled me on the sofa. She's with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Thank you, Linsky. Got my eye as I walk on by. She could see from my face that I was fucking high, and I don't think that I'll see her come by. We should have moment that will last all the time. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Ang hirap ng kanta ko ng gayahin yung boses ha. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. You're beautiful, you're beautiful. Anonymous, you're beautiful, it's true. There must be an angel with a smile on her face when she did a flash at you. But it's time to face the truth. I will never be with you. Dito tayo sa complicated. 90 rubies to go, everybody! Come on, 50k rubies! Road to 50k rubies. Come on, everybody! Everybody, let's go! Thank you, everyone. Thank you, DW. Thank you, Saddam. VL, thank you. VL, thank you. Saddam, thank you. Second floor. Chill out, what you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. If you could only let it be, you will see I like you the way you are. When we're driving in your car and you're talking to me one-on-one, but you become somebody else, and everyone else watching you back like you can relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me why you have to go and make things so complicated. I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty. You promise me I'm never gonna find you fake it. No, no, no. You come over and out, dress up like you're something else. Where you are and where it's that you see, you're making me laugh out when you strike a pose. Take off all your practical. You know you're not fooling anyone when you become somebody else, from everyone else. Watching your back, like you can relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me, why do you do everything so complicated? I see the way you're acting like somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you go and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into. Understand, promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No, no, no. Shout out to adding 236 viewers. Chill out, what you yelling for? Silver, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see somebody else from everyone else. And you're watching your back like you can relax. You're trying to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me, why do you gonna make things so complicated? I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you fall and you go and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into. Understand, you promise me you're never gonna find you faking. No, no, why do you go and make things so complicated? I see the way acting like somebody else gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you when you fall and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into. Understand, you promise me you're never gonna find you faking. No, no. Ang ingay ko dito sa kwarto. Tapos bigyan pa rin magkasabi. Hoy, malapit na guys. Malapit na oh. 9K na lang. Let's go. 9K na lang everyone. 9K na lang. Bye BL. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Oh, tarang English yarn. Thank you DW still there? Are you there in the pader? Watching in there? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, Bonel. Yes, caught my eye. Fine. Guys, konti na lang. 9K na lang. 9K na lang everybody. Si Lola E, nabasa ko yung sabi mo, hinga ka muna. Humihinga ako, mukha ba akong hindi humihinga? Ano pa bang pwedeng kantahin? Ay, gagi, nawala yung mic ko tuloy. Hello, hello. Natanggal ah. Ano ba tong mic na to? Guys, last song na lang ako guys. O kaya papiptikin nyo na lang ako. Stacy, thank you. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wee. Sinong di mawiwili? Dahil sa game na to ay di ka magsisisi. Wait lang, naghanap ako ng ng scars. To you're beautiful. Ay, hindi. Ba't scars to you're beautiful dito? Iba to, mali, mali. Ano ba? Mali yan. Hindi yan yun sinasabi ko. Stacy, thank you. 9K na lang, guys. Wa, 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 wa. Wow, 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 wait. Sinong di mawibili? Dahil sa game na to, ay, someone you love na. Try ko ngayon, someone you love, daray. Someone you love, yarn. First floor, second floor, third floor. Yam, welcome. I'm going under in this time of fear, there's no one to save. These all not really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to help, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to turn to. There's all nothing way of loving, got me sleeping without you. Need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to help, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you help me escape. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. And I try to close my eyes when it hurts sometimes. I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in yourself till I come back around. But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. Guys, konti na lang. 8,600 na lang po. 8,596 na lang po, guys. Magpa 50k rubies na tayo nga ni. Ataray, magda-diamonds tayo by Rihanna. Ataray. Magda-diamond. Like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Find light in the beautiful sea. I just to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You shoot things that I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one right away. Oh, right away. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside, so shine bright tonight. You and I were beautiful beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamond in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Like diamonds in the sky. Rise to the universe as we moonshine and Malay. Feel the one will never die. We're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see. A vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw the light inside, so shine bright tonight. You and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamond in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. So shine bright tonight. You and I were beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Eye to eye, so alive. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. 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 Shine bright like a diamond.
Not knowing.
Guys, sige na. Pa 50k na tayo. Konti na lang. 8,600 na lang. Let's go, guys. 8,500. 596, guys. Let's go, guys. Pa 50k na tayo. Para ako mag-end na mi oras, no? Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the sales come first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. I can see them mysterious. Got shades on your eyes and you heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the cha-ching, ain't about the yeah. But bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. We need to take it back in time when music made us all unite. And it wasn't low blows and a video host, and I'm the only one getting tired. Why is everybody so obsessed? Money can't buy us happiness. When we all slow down and enjoy right now, I guarantee you will be feeling alright. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the cha-ching, ain't about the yeah. But playing, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't change, you know that, yeah. But blame, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag.
Bear Brand 300.
Guys, ayan guys. Let's go, kaya natin to guys. Ano na lang oh. 9,596 everybody. Eto, 5,000 ay 9,581 na lang guys. Let's go guys. Come on. Pakota na tayo guys. Come on, pakota na tayo. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on everybody. Magpakota na po tayo. MJB, welcome. Konti na lang guys oh. Guys, 41,000 na tayo, guys. Come on, everyone, everybody. Shy, thank you. Come on. Let's go kahit pa 10, 10, 10, 10, 100, 100 drop o matatapos natin to, guys. Come on. Hanggang 10:45, guys. 6 minutes na lang mag-end na po ako. Ano, 10:45 mag-end na po ako, guys. Let's go. Guys, 6 minutes, everybody. Let's go, guys. Let's go, let's drop. Come on. Thank you, it's me. Ano yan? Thank you, Eberlyn. Come on, let's go, everybody. Konti na lang, guys. Konti na lang. Kaya natin to. Last 5 minutes, guys. Last 5 minutes. Thank you, Eberlyn. Thank you, it's me. MG, it's me. Come on, guys. Magpa-50K na tayo, guys. Let's go, everyone. Let's go, everyone. 50K na tayo. Shop, welcome. Shoutout sa ating 232 viewers na matatag. Shoutout sa inyo. Welcome. Thank you, thank you. Last 4 minutes, everyone. I'll never be the same. Thank you, Everline. Peach Blossom, welcome to my live. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Pasok na po kayo mga suki. Presyong Pablo lang, Charis. Nessie, welcome. You're in my vein. You're in my head. You're on. Vio, welcome. Konti na lang, guys. Pabimtigi na tayo. Come on. Try natin maglagay tayo ng extension. Wait lang. Dyan lang kayo.
my nights became so complicated. Can't recall my mornings, everything is faded. Maybe this is called my definition of jaded. This stays on my mind, this stays on my mind. Trying to put a muzzle on my crazy feelings. One minute I'm cool and then the next I'm tripping. No, with somebody new, I swear she don't deserve it. Oh, it's still on my mind, she's still on my mind. Yeah, we build it up, just to let it wash away. Tell me, did I lace you up, just to watch you run away? Please tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love? Tell me who's getting on my time? All of that used to be mine. Oh, who did you teach what I taught you? Better not give her my nickname. I don't like thinking about it. I swear that it's wearing me down. No, but tell me who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Residuals. Who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Residuals. Who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Residuals. Made it clear you didn't wanna see the sequel. I was lying when I said the feelings mutual. No, it took some time to realize all the different people. And love is blind. I see love is blind. Can we build it up, just to let it wash away? And tell me, did I lace you up, just to watch you run away? Please tell me who's getting on my love, who's getting on my love? Tell me who's getting on my time? Who did you teach what I taught you? Better not give her my nickname. I don't like thinking about it. I swear that it's wearing me down. No, but tell me who's getting all of mine? Who's getting all of mine? Residual.
Hindi ko makita, boy. Tsaka inano ko lang, baba ng kinabit ko lang naman baba para mahaba siya tignan. Pero, syempre ikaw pa rin magkakabit sa akin nito, Diyos ko.
What the hell, babe? Damn, I ain't never felt this way. Somebody tell me. I don't have a clue what to do when it comes to you. Baby, you're so beautiful. Every time I see you, girl, you throw me off. It's so unusual for me to be waiting, but I don't wanna blow it, girl. But you should know this, girl. Oh, I'm not gonna be the one to mess this up. 'Cause I done left up in love before. I must be the one to take a backseat, girl. We can take our time and you can understand. Anything you want, girl, we can do. Girl, are we going down? I don't know. But from here now, baby, I'm gonna leave that up to you. I'm gonna leave it up to you. What the hell, babe? Make me wanna jump out an airplane. The way it feels, I just can't explain. I don't wanna lose it, so I'm just gonna stay out my way. Baby, you're so incredible. Every time I see you, girl, you throw me off. It's some kind of special, so I'm gonna keep waiting. But I don't wanna blow it, girl. But you should know this, girl. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not gonna be the one to mess this up. 'Cause I done left up in love before. I must be the one to take a backseat, girl. We can take our time. Oh, you can understand.
Guys, sinubukan ko lang naman ilagay. Hindi naman ako marunong maglagay. Hindi ko nakikita. Sunod tayo sa lamin.
Baby, I'm gonna leave that up to you. I'm not trying to be a heartbreaker like I was before. That was the only. I've made so many tears. I don't wanna make
Kaya maganda magpahaba na lang talaga ako ng buhok. Pangit pag naka-extension eh.
taking things off. Ready to go to work, baby. You can be boss, and I'm okay with it. Ain't gonna play with it. So baby, girl, it's your call. Be the one to know, not gonna mess it up. Been in love before. Be the one to take a backseat, go, girl.
Sabi sa'yo, nag-iiba yung pagkatao ko pagka depende sa buhok ko, eh. Pag umaba buhok ko, ako na yung prinsesa mo niyan. Ikaw na muna magiging Prince Charming. Di ba guys? Guys, so, di na kaya pa 50 pag di na mag-end na mi para makapagpahinga ng aring kayungan eh. Masagad ko na hanggang 11. Sagad ko na hanggang 11. Sagad ko na hanggang 11, guys. Eh. Try ko i-trintas ka sa lang. Okay na to. Para daw magninik na uy, di ah? Oo, mga 10 bu. Iba pa rin talaga yung real hair. Halata eh. Halata.
Girl, you still hold me close.
Abangan niyo yung TikTok ko mamaya.
And you still make me know that you need me. And I know sometimes you don't believe me, but you stay on my mind, so believe me.
Sige, mag-PPOB tayong classmate.
Oh, no, don't break it, girl. When times get tough, don't fake it. And it all adds up, we gon' make it. Cause when you mad, I know can't fake it. And baby, sometimes I can tell just by your face, this part of us been gone for so long. And I know there's no replacing what we had going on.
Guys, hindi nyo na ako mag-50k. End ko na to. Ano na ako sa kabila. Miss Beautiful, welcome. Guys, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Wise Ruler, welcome. Let's go, everyone. Drop some rubies pa. 50 na tayo, come on. Konti na lang, oh. Konting shembot na lang. Konting shembot. Thank you, AUH. Konti na lang. Thank you, it's May. Konti na lang, guys. Sige na. 50k na natin.
I can tell just by your face, this part of us been gone for so long.
Gentle Spirit, welcome.
I know there's no replacing what we had going on for so long. But when it hurts,
Ixie, welcome.
make it better. Girl, if it works,
It's gonna be forever. We've been through the worst, way through the weather, the problems and the pain.
love. But when it hurts, I can make it better. Girl, if it works, it's gonna be forever. We've been
Hi, guys.
made it through the weather.
Shoutout sa 241 viewers natin dyan, guys. 4 minutes na lang mag-end na po ako. 4 minutes na lang mag-end na po ako, guys. Last drop na rin po tayo. Kung kaya magpa 50k, let's go. Sino kayang mabait na magpapa 50k sa atin? But when it hurts, good luck, Paket. Last 3 minutes, guys. Come on, last 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes, mag-end na po ako. Last drop, last drop. Last drop, guys. Come on. Thank you, Wise Ruler. Sambi, welcome. Pag ako tumangkad, guys. Uy! Ate Joy! Magre-ready na ako. Yun na ako magpatangkad. Are you there? Are you listening? Are you watching? Tell me if you're watching, Ate Joy. Tinunugan ako ni Ate Joy? Ange, tulog na si Ate Joy? Nobody knows me. Ala, ay Eclipse Agency. Pumasok sa agency dito, hindi ako nakano ngayon. Mag-iinat naman ako, ah. Nag-iinat ako. Guys, mag-end na ako. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. See you again tomorrow. Bawi po tayo bukas. Pakota tayo ulit tomorrow. Okay? Pakota tayo guys bukas. Everyday na natin yung pakota guys. 50, 50, 50, 50k. Ganon. Pa hanggang sa kumota. 1.2 M yung kailangan namin this month guys. And ayun na nga. Sa akin, nasa 1M pa niyan hahabulin. Kasi ako ngayon naka 40. So, 160 ako. Ayun, saktong siguro nasa 200 ako ngayon. Total. So, 1M pa sa akin kay Bubu is nasa almost 800. 770k kay Bubu. Sa akin, 1M. 1M. Yon. So, sana ay pakotahin nyo kami everyday. Kahit mag-goal lang natin. Kahit 50k everyday. Ganon. Huwag ka alala pa paldo. Ay, di nga paldo yung October sa akin eh. Di nga tayo. Di nga tayo. Pero kokota tayo! Claim it. Yes. Yes, kokota tayo. Andyan yung mga anghel. Andyan yung mga... Andyan yung mga tagabantay. Basta kokota tayo. Nakikita ko na ang ating kapalaran. Woo! I see the magic. I see the magic is splinka, shiny, shimmering, splendid. Okay, sige na, mag-end na ako guys. Masyado na mahaba yung natin. Bye guys, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye everybody. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you. Uy, teka, magta-thank you muna ako sa sa top 5. Hindi, top 10 ko na. Top 10, Joe. Top 9, Densky. Top 8, Irene. Top 7, Boss B. Top 6, BL. Top 5 natin, Snow. Top 4, Big Busara. Let's be loyal. Top 3, AUH. Top 2, DW. Ang ating top 1, Ate Ria! Tragis na sound card na to eh. Wala ko ibang mga sound effect. Puro what? Din, 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 din. Mga ibang sound effect. Diyos ko. Sige na. Bye-bye na guys. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.